Your lesson this week is working on multisyllabic words, so words that have more than one syllable. And you'll find that your words this week have the vowel R patterns. So I want to start by reviewing Vowel Valley with you, which you can see in front of you. The vowels are made to match the shape of your jaw as you say each sound. So starting on the left, we have E, I, A, E, A, I, ah. So notice as you say each sound, your mouth drops a little bit each time until you get to the octopus, the ah. Then we have ah, aw, o, u, u. And so your mouth gets tighter again as you make those sounds. We have your schwa up at the top with the banana, banana. So the schwa can be an or an I. And those are found in multisyllabic words. So you will have some schwas when you're reading some of our stories. Down at the bottom left, you have your diphthongs that say oi, ow. But our lesson this week is going to focus on the ones on the right, the vowel R. So you'll have R, and or. So take a look at these. What you'll notice is you have a vowel followed by the R. And that's what I mean when I say a vowel R pattern. So the first one says R. The next one says and notice the picture of the bird has ER, IR, and UR because this one has the most variation of spelling, but the sound will be And then the third sound is or. I'm going to show you the words now that come from our story that fit these patterns. We're going to start first with the R. So go ahead and say R. You're going to have a word like started. And I've underlined where you have the vowel R in that word. 2-syllable word, started. Next, go ahead and say carton. Carton, another 2-syllable word. Moving on to the this is where most of your words are going to have this vowel sound this week. And so what I want to do first is show you some of your 1-syllable words that will be in your story. You're going to have the word were, and you'll have the word heard. So those have that same sound just with 1 syllable. Now we're going to do some of your 2-syllable words. In the story, you'll have never. Go ahead and repeat after me. Say never, over, mother, father, brother, sister. So you're going to see how we have some family words in our story. Curtain. So this one is spelled with UR, but the sound is curtain. Say Rover. Rover is going to be the dog in our story. This is a 3-syllable word. Cowering, cowering. So the dog's going to be afraid and going to be cowering. The story is actually called Rover's Mishaps. And mishaps is when the dog does things he should not do and gets into trouble. And so he's going to be cowering so he doesn't get yelled at. Furniture. There's your sound spelled with the UR again. Whimper. Laughter. And this one is everyone, everyone. So really 4 syllables. We tend to pronounce it everyone. So you might not hear the as much depending on how you pronounce it, but really it's everyone. Okay, and then the third vowel R that we have is the or sound. So go ahead and say or. You will have some 1-syllable words in your story. So say torn, floor. And then your 2-syllable or multisyllabic words, say morning, say corner. And this one's the most irregular. This word is warning. Okay, so you give a warning to somebody before they might step where they shouldn't step or something's going to happen and you want to warn them. Notice this one could be tricky because it's spelled AR. So it looks like it fits that war, like car, war, but we don't pronounce it that way. We actually pronounce it with the OR sound, warning. And that's why I have it on this page for you. So when you're reading, make sure you pronounce it more with the OR vowel sound. All right.